you ready to turn your product or service into a sales machine without spending a dime on ads? In this video, I'll show you how to build a successful affiliate marketing program, step by step. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a growing business, this is the key to multiplying your revenue through the power of partnerships. Alright, let's dive right into it. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a performance-based marketing strategy where you pay people, we call them affiliates, a commission for bringing you customers. That's right, you only pay when they deliver results. Think of it like having a team of salespeople working for you 24/7, but instead of a fixed salary, you're rewarding them for every sale they bring in. It's a win-win situation. Your affiliates get to earn money by promoting a product or service they believe in, and you get to expand your reach and boost your sales without breaking the bank on traditional advertising. Now you might be thinking, Neil, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, the beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's all about results. You're not throwing money at ads that may or may not convert. You're only paying for actual tangible outcomes, new customers and sales. But here's the thing, building a successful affiliate program takes work. You need a solid strategy, the right tools, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. In this video, I'm going to break down the entire process into actionable steps so you can start building your own six-figure affiliate program from scratch. We'll cover everything from choosing the right platform to crafting an irresistible commission structure that will have affiliates lining up to partner with you. So, if you're ready to unlock the power of affiliate marketing and take your business to the next level, stick around, because things are about to get very interesting. Let's get started. First things first, you need to understand the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. Before you even think about recruiting affiliates or setting up a platform, you need to lay a strong foundation for your program. And that starts with having a fantastic product or service. I cannot stress this enough. If you want affiliates to passionately promote your offerings, you need to give them something worth shouting about. Your product or service should solve a real problem for your target audience and have proven demand. Look, you can have the best affiliate program in the world, but if your product doesn't deliver on its promises, your affiliates won't be successful, and neither will you. So, take the time to refine your offerings, get customer feedback, and make sure you're providing real value. Once you're confident in your product, it's time to define your ideal affiliate profile. Who are the people who are most likely to connect with your target audience and drive sales? Are they influencers in your niche? Bloggers with engaged audiences? YouTubers creating content your target market loves? Or maybe even everyday users who are passionate about your product and eager to share it with their network? Understanding your ideal affiliate is crucial because it will shape your recruitment strategy and help you tailor your program to their specific needs and motivations. Remember, the goal is to find partners who align with your brand values and can authentically represent your product or service. So, take the time to research your niche, identify potential affiliates, and understand what makes them tick. This will pay off big time when it comes to recruiting and managing your affiliate program. Now that you've laid the groundwork, it's time to choose the right affiliate platform for your business. This is a critical decision, as the platform you choose will be the backbone of your entire program. An affiliate platform is essentially software that helps you manage your affiliate program from top to bottom. It will track everything, clicks, conversions, commissions, automatically, saving you countless hours of manual work and potential headaches. There are tons of affiliate platforms out there, each with its own set of features, pricing plans, and integrations. Some popular options include ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, ClickBank, and Impact. When choosing a platform, consider factors like ease of use, pricing, integration with your existing website and marketing tools, reporting and analytics capabilities, and of course, customer support. Don't be afraid to try out a few different platforms before making a decision. Most offer free trials or demo accounts, so you can get a feel for their interface and features. Remember, the right platform will streamline your affiliate program, provide valuable insights into its performance, and make your life a whole lot easier. So, take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Once you've got your platform set up, it's time to move on to the fun part, crafting an irresistible commission structure. Chapter 4, Step 3. Create an irresistible commission structure. Let's be real, money talks. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, your commission structure is what will incentivize affiliates to promote your product or service. A well-designed commission plan can make all the difference in attracting top-performing affiliates and motivating them to drive those valuable sales. So, how do you create a commission structure that's a win-win for both you and your affiliates? First, you need to determine what you can afford to pay. Consider your profit margins and the lifetime value of a customer. How much is a new customer worth to your business? Once you have a baseline, you can start exploring different commission structures. The most common types are percentage of sale. This is the most straightforward model, where affiliates earn a percentage of each sale they generate. For example, you could offer a 10% commission on all sales made through an affiliate's unique referral link. Flat fee per sale. This model offers affiliates a fixed amount for every sale they drive. This can be a good option if you have a product with a consistent price point. Tiered commission structure. This model incentivizes affiliates to drive more sales by offering higher commission rates as they hit certain milestones. For example, they might earn a 10% commission on their first 10 sales, 15% on their next 20 sales, and so on. Recurring commissions. This model is great for businesses with subscription-based products or services. Affiliates earn a commission every time a customer they referred makes a recurring payment. The key is to choose a commission structure that aligns with your business goals and motivates affiliates to promote your product effectively. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your commission structure over time as you gather data and see what works best. Chapter 5. Step 4. Recruit the right affiliates. Now that you have a solid foundation, the right platform, and an enticing commission structure in place, it's time to build your dream team of affiliates. This is where the real magic happens, but it's also where many businesses stumble. Remember those ideal affiliate profiles we talked about earlier? Now's the time to put them to good use. Start by reaching out to potential affiliates directly. Look for influencers, bloggers, and content creators in your niche who have an engaged audience that aligns with your target market. Don't be afraid to get personal in your outreach. Instead of sending generic emails, take the time to get to know their work, their audience, and what they're passionate about. Explain why you think they'd be a great fit for your program and how they can benefit from partnering with you. Another effective way to find affiliates is to list your program on affiliate networks or directories. These platforms act as marketplaces, connecting businesses with potential affiliates looking for new opportunities. Some popular affiliate networks include ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and ClickBank. You can also leverage the power of social media to find potential affiliates, join relevant Facebook groups, participate in Twitter chats, and engage with influencers in your niche. Let people know you're actively looking for affiliates and highlight the benefits of joining your program. Chapter 6. Step 5. Provide tools and training. Once you've recruited some awesome affiliates, it's crucial to set them up for success. Remember, they're an extension of your brand, so you want to equip them with the tools and knowledge they need to effectively promote your product or service. Start by providing them with a comprehensive welcome kit that includes everything they need to know about your brand, your products or services, your target audience, and your affiliate program guidelines. This kit should also include pre-made marketing materials like banner ads, email templates, social media posts, and product images that they can easily use in their promotions. Consider creating a dedicated affiliate resource center on your website where they can access all these materials, along with training videos, FAQs, and case studies. The more resources you provide, the better equipped your affiliates will be to promote your products effectively. Don't underestimate the power of ongoing communication and support. Regularly update your affiliates on new product launches, promotions, and any changes to your program. Host webinars or Quanda sessions to address their questions and concerns. By providing ongoing support, you'll foster strong relationships with your affiliates and empower them to become even more successful in promoting your brand. Chapter 7. Step 6. Track, test, and optimize. Launching your affiliate program is a huge accomplishment, but the work doesn't stop there. To ensure its long-term success, you need to constantly track its performance, test different strategies, and optimize your approach based on data-driven insights. Most affiliate platforms offer robust reporting and analytics dashboards that provide valuable data about your program's performance. Pay close attention to key metrics like click-through rate or CTR. This metric tells you how often people are clicking on your affiliate links. A low CTR might indicate that your affiliate creative needs improvement, or that you need to target a different audience. Conversion rate. This metric tells you what percentage of clicks on your affiliate links are converting into sales. A low conversion rate might indicate that your landing page needs improvement or that your product isn't resonating with the audience. Earnings per click or EPC. This metric tells you how much revenue you're generating for every click on your affiliate links. A low EPC might indicate that you need to adjust your commission structure or find affiliates who are driving higher quality traffic. Use this data to identify your top performing affiliates, the content and creatives that are driving the most conversions, and any areas where you need to make adjustments. Don't be afraid to experiment with different commission structures, recruitment strategies, and promotional methods to see what delivers the best results for your business. Remember, affiliate marketing is an ongoing process of optimization. By continuously tracking, testing, and refining your approach, you can ensure that your program continues to grow and generate a steady stream of revenue for your business. Now that you know how to build a successful affiliate program, it's time to take action. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want me to review your affiliate setup. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more growth strategies, and hit that bell icon for updates.